Hi there. Welcome to OnePatch, your all-in-one solution for seamless e-commerce management. Today, I'm excited to guide you through our easy onboarding process and show you how our team is here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started. Getting started with OnePatch is a breeze. Our intuitive platform is designed to make your setup as simple and efficient as possible. First things first, let's connect your integrations for a smooth experience. Step 1. Head to Settings, Integrations, and connect your primary integration, whether it's Amazon, eBay, or Shopify. Our platform supports a wide range of integrations to suit your needs, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Step 2. With just a few clicks, import your products from your primary marketplace. Our system ensures a smooth and accurate transfer of your product data, making the process hassle-free and efficient. Step 3. Once your primary products are in, go ahead and import from your other integrations. This consolidates all your products in one place for easy management, streamlining your e-commerce operations. Step 4. Our dedicated support team is here to help. Reach out to us to review your account and apply any customized requirements you might have. We're committed to providing personalized support for your business. And just like that, you're live with OnePatch. With everything set up, you can now enjoy real-time inventory management, seamless order processing, and much more. Now get started with your trial. Remember, our support team is always here for you. Happy selling!